Hi, I'm Vlad. I'm CEO of Yota Devices, and I'm thinking this YotaPhone is the first prototype of our product, which I'm happy to show you a few features and functions of this device. Well, first of all, it's an Android device with quite a good technical specifications. And as you probably know, in addition to this device, we decided to place the electronic paper display on the back side of the phone. And we also developed a certain number of applications which, from our perspective, substantially change the user experience and the way users interact with the smartphone. And let me show a few of them. One of the many scenarios is when you're running out of battery, and for example, you're using the Google Maps to find the locations you want to go, and you're running out of battery. You can make just one quick gesture like this, which will put the map on the back side of the phone, and when the phone is completely off, you can still find the way to go. Or, for example, the same scenario might work for the boarding pass or for any type of tickets where you have a barcode. So you make this gesture and you have the whole boarding pass with all details, and you will be able to pass the control, security control, ready to go. Yeah. So that's another one. Is obviously you can read books, and you can put any type of books on the back side of the phone and read it. And let me see if I can put the book. I don't have any book available in this phone. Let me close the big reader. So also Rss Feeder. You can put your Rss Feeder on the back side of the phone, and the good thing about this, because it will update in real time any new news or anything what is happening, so you can have updates on the back side in real time, and it can work for Facebook, Twitter, sport news, stock prices. What is important for you, you can put on the back side.
Sports scores, everything can be shared on the back, and developers can also add to it.
So also all standard thing. Oh, first of all, you can also personalize the back side of the phone. You can make your picture of your family's friends or certain experience. You can put it on the back side of the phone, so it will stay there the whole day, not just in the current smartphones. When you can wake it up, it stays for a few seconds and you don't see this picture. Then it stays there the whole day, and differentiate yourself from.
So that wasn't the same, gesture you did before with Google Maps.
Yeah, because that's a good catch, because for mirroring image, we use this gesture. Just if we want just to move applications which you can interact with on the back side of the phone, for example, Rss Feeder or Twitter or any type of applications, we use this the thing. And it's put these applications. Then I can scroll, and I can do some interactive stuff on the back side of the phone. So that's to do different things. Yeah.
And then for a minute, briefly talk about here. Obviously, for the viewers here, we're missing Android navigation buttons down below. As you can see, it is all.
Yeah, but because we look at it's more intuitive to have a gesture than the button, and basically we believe the future phones should have no buttons and no holes. It should be very intuitive gestures. So we removed the three major buttons like home with a gesture from the right, swipe from the right to the left, and we also removed the back button from just a gesture from the right to the left, but only half of the display. And then there is a long touch to pull the multitasking function. You know about this gesture, it's mirroring the image. And there is a couple gestures here, like when you can put the certain application with a long click.
And another hidden button.
And there is, you can also swipe, and you can move from application to application for the swipe. For example, this one. Oops, didn't work.
So that's multitasking. Different things you've shared to the back.
Let me show you another one. Let's countdown. I think we come up with a certain so-called commitment on New Year resolution thing, where you decided to quit smoking from the new year, and the system pop up and show you like how many days you keep your commitments.
Excellent.
So motivate you and remind you about this. So
or remind you that you failed your resolution.
Exactly. Then exactly, it depends how disciplined you are.
Okay, and then in closing, maybe just run down some of the specs real quick here, and we'll.
Just one more thing I want to show. Basically, you can get access to any kind of available open source resources, and you can make sure you can put it on the back side like a fresh set of comics or the fresh set of information, and we believe that might be very useful for the user. Here we have Dilber comics, for example, and you can change and you can see this. Well, in terms of specs, we are targeting to the premium Android device when we launch it. So currently it's 12 megapixel camera on the back side and 1.3 megapixel camera on the front. It's Qualcomm chipset, dual-core, 8960 Snapdragon. It's 4.3 inch LCD display from Japan Display. It's HD resolution. It's a 4.3 EPD display from Ink. By the way, it's 2 Gorilla Glass on the both side. So actually, Corning did a first curve 3D Gorilla Glass for us. So it's what else?
Extremely durable.
Yeah.
Very good.
And it's the latest version of Google, obviously. And by the time we launch the market, we'll try to make sure this has the latest and the greatest spec, because from our perspective, that's very important.